We're here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange with Jim Cramer answering your Twitter questions. Jim, a lot of concern about the markets today. Our first question from Tyler Perry. He says he bought halfway into his first index fund yesterday. He put about $5,000 in after the drop. He's asking, should I buy another $5,000 today if it drops, or should I wait?
I think that you want to wait. We want to look at whether China holds this 3,500 level. If it doesn't, then I expect there'll be another sell-off, and that be your opportunity. I never like to commit cash all at once. Say you're down 2.5 from the highs. How about waiting down 5 to 7% for the second? And if you don't get it, you don't get it.
Joel asks, if you have a longer view, say 1 to 3 years, do you feel Apple and Netflix are good bets?
Yes. Plain out simple.
Todd Mack asks, what's your opinion on George Soros buying Peabody Energy?
Well, look, I'm very anti the coal stocks, and I'm not going to change my view. I think that there are ways to buy coal stocks, which is through the debt, through the bond side. But I think that buying Peabody is a lottery ticket, and I'll go buy a lottery ticket if I want one.
And Mark Bell asks, I think Valeant overpaid for Sprout. Any thoughts on that?
I think that Valeant's looking like SunEdison. It looks like this was the deal too far. People have liked all the deals beforehand every other time, and they didn't this time. And I think that Valeant is a stock I don't want to own anymore.
Thanks, Jim. If you've got questions for Jim Cramer, tweet them at Jim Cramer, #CramerQ. On the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Ruben Ramirez. Have a great weekend.